Leslie Jones is furious that a remake of Ghostbusters is in the works. The 51-year-old actress played Patty Tolan in the all-female 2016 reboot by Paul Feig, and has taken to Twitter to slam director Jason Reitman for carrying on the franchise and acting as if their movie didn't exist. In a tweet, in which she tagged Reitman and her co-star Melissa McCarthy, Jones fumed. "So insulting. Like, f*** us. We didn't count. It's like something Trump would do. Trump voice, gonna redo Ghostbusters, better with men, will be huge. Those women ain't Ghostbusters? Ugh. So annoying. Such a dick move. And I don't give a f***, I'm saying something." Reitman announced he will helm the surprise next installment in the fantasy franchise 36 years after his father Ivan directed the first 2 films in the series earlier this month. And he recently revealed that the female cast from Feig's movie will not be involved. We're betting you loved that video. Wasn't it great? Well, like and subscribe to get even more.